What?
Actually, the Blender which they use for 3D designing,
Yes.
and also Adobe, the one more dimension is there. What are those difference actually?
Yeah, you are talking about 3D character design tool, right?
Yes. Is there any back disadvantages in that which other software does not?
Actually, JetBrush is the best tool for character animation and character creation.
Oh,
Even Blender also good one, and Blender is open source, and JetBrush is paid version, I think.
but actually, Blender is more difficult than other softwares, I think.
Yeah, like some user interface, like ease of use with Blender is more difficulty than other software.
If I start learning now, how many days or months it will take to learn from the scratch?
Uh, we can able to learn at least yeah, like at least in 30 days.
Okay, 30 days. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
So what have you learned till now? Like you're a user interface designer, right?
Yeah, user and UX.
Yeah. Are you working somewhere? Are you working somewhere?
Yes, sir, I'm working.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Nice.